Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to make melt in your mouth, moist and super tender, flavorful and versatile buttermilk cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a large mixing bowl, cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add 1 egg at a time, beaten well after each addition. Here is a tip. Always take out your eggs and butter 1 hour prior to baking to let them come to room temperature. If you use cold butter, it won't cream properly with the sugar, and this will lead to a dense cake. We don't want that, guys. And also, adding cold eggs to the cream butter and sugar mixture could shock, harden, even curdle the butter, and this can affect the final texture. Continue to beat for 1 minute, then add vanilla extract and mix well. Now we're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the bowl before adding the dry ingredients. Now into my flour, I'm gonna add salt and mix well. Next, add flour and buttermilk alternatively. We're gonna start with the flour and ending with the flour. Now let's listen to the music. Next, dissolve baking soda in boiling water. Then stir in the soda mixture into flour mixture and mix until well combined. Now grease the tube pan, pour in the batter and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 10 minutes until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. My kitchen smells so good, guys. I just pulled out the cake from the oven. We're gonna let it cool, then we're gonna dust with powdered sugar. Then it's time for taste test. I can't wait, guys. I have to dig into it, guys. This cake is somewhere between a buttermilk pound cake and a tender sponge cake. It's so moist, guys. You need to try this recipe, and One thing I like about this old-fashioned buttermilk cake, you can take it anywhere. It goes with any dessert that fits in. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we stay connected. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.